I went out yesterday to go and vlog, and it turns out that I went to the wrong location. Okay, so the idea was to take you guys to this spot that's quite popular. Like, it was like a dam. It's like a dam. So I was like, okay, let me go there, let me vlog, because I have never been there. So I was like, I'll make a vlog of me going there, showing you guys around the place and blah blah blah. So it turns out that I went to the wrong place. And like, when I went there at first, I was like, this is not the place now. This is where people are coming. This is not the place. So I went out the following day. No, I went out. Okay, I went to meet my friend, and then he was not like, this is not the place. So people, and I was looking fine. Like, I dressed up. I was looking fine. I was looking fly. I was looking. It turns out that I went to, only God knows. I carry myself go where I don't know. Anyhow, Sha, welcome back to another vlog. Don't worry, I'll put the footage of my confusion. You guys will know that. You guys will know what I'm talking about. I cannot just like show you guys only water. I like water, yay! So this will be the end of the vlog. No, I think it's starting to rain. My God, it's starting to rain. So this is the dam, the water. I don't know what we're meant to see here, but this is what I wanted us to come and see. And like, my vlog now will just be like 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's just go. It's rain. Let's just go. Let's just go. I'm so sad, but whatever. Welcome back to another vlog. I need foodstuffs. I need some other things. So we're going to be going to the market now. Best way, quick haul. Let me show you guys what I got. So first of all, I'll be starting with the food stuffs, because I want to cook stew either today or tomorrow. I don't know yet, but I'm cooking stew, and obviously I will show you guys. So I got power oil. I got this sachet because it's cheaper, and bottle, like, I don't consume lots of groundnut oil, so I just got the sachet because I just need it for my stew. I have palm oil, and I use more of palm oil than normal oil. So yeah, I got that one. Got these guys. Got spaghetti. I got salt. I got this guy for my stew. Tomato paste for my stew. Got Maggi, this Gino seasoning cubes. I got Gino seasoning cubes. Then I also got spices. Where is the other one? Okay. I got spices for my stew. The spices for my stew. What am I missing? Okay. And then I got a roll of pig milk. Okay, so this is not pig milk. This is 3 crowns. My bad. I got a roll of 3 crowns. I got peanut butter. This is native peanut butter. I don't know how to pronounce the native name, but this is native peanut butter. I got this ones for 300 naira each. 600. Then I also got toiletries. My toiletries are not much. I just got 2 bars of soaps. I got Dettol and Cousin's Baby and Dettol. Ouch. Then I got toothpaste, Pepsodent. Yeah. This is my tomatoes, pepper, onions for my stew. For my stew. So that's all for food and toiletries. And also I got this, I got slippers. Actually they're not slippers, they're called palms, because the ones I have are very worn out. I've had them for like a year and some months, so I decided to renew my subscription for a new palms. And I think they are fine. Aren't they fine? Yeah, they're fine. I like them. Nude is the way. Nude is the new black. Nude is the new what? Black. Is the new black. Nude is the new black. So yeah, you guys, that's the end of our haul. So I saw this recipe on Instagram that I said I was going to make for my dinner, and it's literally where you dip banana into a pancake batter and then you fry it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it, and it's just like mini pancakes. I'm going to put the video up so you will understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what we're eating for dinner. So we have our batch one of our little experiment, and yes, it doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look pretty, I know, but it is good actually. It is good, and this is like the most perfect one I could get, because this is how it's meant to look. It's meant to look really flat with no idea that there is something inside. So yeah. The mistake I made was that I cut the banana too big and I made the pancake batter too watery. So this is why it was quite difficult for all of them to come out like this. So I'm going to do a taste test. It tastes really nice actually. It's very good. It's really nice. And just a little tip, if you want to make your pancake taste really nice, don't be scared to add this. This is vanilla essence. If you like vanilla, or if you like the taste of vanilla, you can actually add it to your pancake. It's going to literally taste like cake. So yeah, you guys, that's all. I still have a batch frying down here with my gas, and I'm going to just wind down with my little mini pancake filled banana. So we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it, and please comment it down below what you think of my mini pancakes, or if you would like to try this recipe, or if you are already trying it, please tell me how it went for you. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment. Feel free to comment, because when you comment is a way of interacting with me, and I would really appreciate if you actually say hi in the comment section. My name is Bukinunu, and this is my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you on my channel.